We are following breaking weather news. Hilary is picking up steam. She is now officially a hurricane. This storm formed Wednesday off Mexico's west coast. It is headed toward Southern California.
Hurricane Hilary is expected to bring intense rain and wind to the west coast, a region that rarely sees this sort of storm. NBC News meteorologist Bill Karins is tracking it all for us. Bill, Hilary is rapidly picking up speed. When and where is it expected to hit?
Yeah, we're going to worry about Mexico's Baja first and then Southern California as we go through Sunday into Monday. And every hour that goes by, I'm getting more confident that this is going to be a very significant historical weather event for Southern California. We're already up to a Category 2 hurricane. It's undergoing rapid intensification over very warm waters off the coast of Mexico. This should continue for about 48 to 60 more hours, and then it will start going over cooler waters early Sunday and begin that weakening trend. But this is a large hurricane. Large, strong hurricanes take a while to weaken, and that's why the Hurricane Center is now saying they think this is going to cross in from Mexico into Southern California still as a tropical storm. That's rare. It's only happened 3 times in our recorded history. Only once has one actually come and made landfall in areas of California. That was all the way back in 1939. The other 2, Kathleen, was in 1976. So this is stuff that's happened a long time ago when the population was a lot lower in California. So we're talking about a high-impact event. Now, who's going to get hit the hardest? Too early to tell. All these lines are possible paths of the center. Could be just off the coast, could be over San Diego and LA, could be a little closer to the Arizona-California border. So it's too early to pinpoint who's going to get the really core heavy rainfall and the flash flooding. But we do know it's possible. Someone's going to get 8 inches, maybe even up to a foot in the mountains. That's a lot of rain in a short period of time. We're going to have significant flash flooding.
Good to hear these warnings now. So, Bill, we're heading to the peak of hurricane season. Anything else we need to watch? What are you keeping your eye on?
Yeah, so this is where we get like that 7-week period. So as we go and take a look at the map here that shows you the peak of the season and the dates. So we are roughly right about here. This is the number and frequency of storms. So we're in the 7-week chunk. There's almost always, everything always just quickly fires up. This is when we get our bigger storms, typically our major hurricanes. So we do have a couple areas out there in the Pacific where we talked about Hilary. Not much of an issue for Hawaii, but we have 2 tropical disturbances in the Atlantic. We're going to start talking about these named storms in the week or 2 ahead, but nothing threatening the East Coast or the Gulf of Mexico in the next 4 to 5 days.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.